Welcome back to another video. Today we're working on the Project Rabbit. If you don't know, if you haven't been around the last two videos, if you're just new around here, we have a Project Volkswagen Rabbit, which is right behind me, which you probably can't see because I'm too huge. That is our project car. We're going to be cleaning it out today, like we did in the last video. We're going to be cleaning out the carpets, the trunk, the seats, and by cleaning, I mean like deep cleaning. We're going to go in it with some carpet cleaner, some shampoo, really clean it out and get every single piece of dirt out of there. All right, so I have everything laid out here. My seats are here. This is the rear seats. These are the front two seats. I have some carpets that were from the trunk, and then the interior of the car, we have all the carpet ready. It's vacuumed. I don't see much dirt on it, but I'm gonna go over it one more time just because dust and stuff gets in the way. And then we have this part here we're gonna clean today as well, hopefully. Actually, you know what, we might not do that. Anyways, on for the exciting part. The poop is still there. I hope you can't see it, but if you do, I'm sorry. It's over there. It's pretty disgusting. I don't have the I don't want to touch it.
That's what she said.
All right, so what I have is some of this stuff. Interior multi-purpose cleaner. Usually this comes with a brush like this that you can just spray on the carpets, and then you can use this brush to, you know, agitate all the dirt and get it in there. But that takes too long and it's gonna be too tiring. So what lazy people like me and you, what we can do is use our drill and use a drill brush to really get it in all the carpets. Let's grab this. So I think you just take this. Oh my god. Let's see, do the first one. The stuff smells amazing. Other than that, I've sprayed everywhere with it. Now I'm gonna take my brush and literally just go over it with it and see what happens. This is what Chris Fix did, so I'm sure I'm on the right path. Alright, so what we're left with is this, which looks pretty clean. I went this way and then this way, and look at the comparison. Like, that's pretty clean too. This just looks a little bit nicer. Now I'm going to take a microfiber and try to just wipe everything down, and then I'll go over it with the vacuum that I have, but it's already looking nicer and smells a hell of a lot better. I don't know how well it comes off on camera, but this used to be dark yellow, like a goldish color, and now it almost looks green. You know what I mean? Look at that. That's nasty. Also, comparing this side to that side, you can kind of tell this is getting a little darker. It's bringing a lot of the color back. It's cleaner, has no dirt, versus that side that's just vacuumed. Even from here, you see this side, how it's a lot darker because this is shampooed and vacuumed. And then you look at the other side where it looks absolutely terrible. I thought that looked good. This is insane. Alright, so we've seen that this thing actually works wonders on the carpet, but it also says interior and it says seats. I'm curious to see if it can do this on any of these seats. So I'm going to start with one of those seats over there and we'll see how she does. We'll do the seat itself first, not the back part, just to see what happens. Okay, I haven't even wiped this down yet. I literally just sprayed it, and as you saw with the brush, just took a deep, like, you know, I just went over it with the brush. Already it's looking better. Now, don't let that fool you. That is wet right now, so it's gonna look a lot better than that. But holy crap, the color is coming back. Alright, so a quick wipe on the seats too. Alright, so this is about wiping it down a couple times, going over it with the vacuum, trying to extract everything that I sprayed into it, and holy crap, look at the color difference. Like, I don't know how well it comes off on camera, but that's pretty dry right now. Like, it's pretty dry, and look at that versus that. Like, whoa. I have this old seat here. This is what it looks like. This is the old seat. See all that dirt? All of that, that's nasty, that's dirty, and bam. Okay, wait. All right, battery ran out, I don't know where, but this is the new seat. Well, the restored kind of cleaned up seat. This is the shit old seat. Do you see, like, I'm not even gonna ask, do you see the difference? Because if you don't, I don't know what to tell you. Look how clean that looks, and look at that dirty ass. Holy shit. And I put some leather conditioner on the seat as well, just to make it a little more shiny. and it made world of a difference. As you saw, the results look absolutely amazing. The seat looks brand freaking new. The carpet inside looks brand freaking new. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up everything else that I'm not gonna show you, which is the other seat, the bottom, the rear seats, and then the other side of the carpet, the rear seats, the other seat, the other side of the carpet, driver's side. But I'll see you guys in the next video. I hope you follow along. The interior is getting done tomorrow or the other day. I'm gonna do all the dash trims and the plastic pieces. I'm gonna clean all of those, and then we'll move on to the exterior and the engine. I have some parts coming in sometime next week, so I'm pretty excited. But I'll see you guys in the next video. If you like the video, please like the video. If you don't like the video, don't like the video. Press dislike. Leave a negative comment. I'm the first person to tell you to do this. Leave a negative comment. But I'll see you again. Peace.